God. That's a fucking cheater if I ever seen one.
Yeah.
I guess fucking cheating hard.
This guy's still back there.
You kidding me?
Get him!
You good?
Yeah.
Great set. Great set.
How many of those hit you?
I don't know, two.
Two? Yeah.
It was just like clank clank. I was like, oh yeah, dude, that's tender. It's tender, dog.
Sorry.
It's tender. That's why. Did you notice? I just dropped my gun. I was like, I'm done. I'm done.
I saw you were like, I'm gonna move.
Oh yeah, dude. What, dude, man?
Defenders must defend the next 10 minutes.
It's gonna be the longest 10 minutes till the man.
Ready? Set. Go, go!
I'm sorry, dude. Ooh boy, that ain't going off. That's an impact. Oh, hit. Sorry. Hey, I need help! Don't let him push up on me. Hey, bang, 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 bang. What? Okay. Q, watch right, I'll watch that.
Gotcha.
Hey, are you good there? Can you cover here? Can you come to me and cover that angle? Or something? Yeah, cover that straight angle right there. We got a good hold here. In front! What the f***?
Don't watch right. What?
What?
You had something to say?
No, I said what the f***?
Oh, okay.
Hit. Was that you? Who shot me?
I don't know.
Not you, not you.
Bro, watch right.
What?
Bang.
What?
You had something to say?
No, I said what the f***?
Oh, okay.
Hit. Was that you? Who shot me?
I don't know.
Not you, not you.
Bro, you're dead. Get out. No, hey. Dutch, get back in. Get back in. It was this dude.
Hey, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe. I post Airsoft gameplay videos every week. As for the cheater, I don't know what he was thinking. Maybe he's got it out for me because the original video I posted of him cheating has got like 5 million views or something like that. I literally have 4 cameras on me. He knows I post stuff like this, so I really have no idea why he'd do this again if he was so upset about it. Just don't cheat. It ruins it for everyone and yourself. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.